Good morning, Peter Hanley here. I'm here with the AI Millionaire video project where the AI tools are there for you to use, and I'm going to show you how to use just one in a fairly quick video. You can do social media posts of all kinds, and I usually do 3 at a time to post on Facebook, so the recommended time is 3 a day. Email writer, that's for writing your emails, of course, and your Millionaire movie maker is for making your videos. Millionaire blogger is quite a good one that every small business should use, and I'll just show you how good this is to use. I've started here and why AI is necessary for small business, and that's the question that I'm going to ask. I press the button. Now, this is available for any small business for a very small cost. Small business people. That didn't work. Small business owners. Let's try that, okay? Marketing, we'll make that marketing. It asks you questions, and you can give it a lot of questions here to make the result a lot better. It then gathers the information. Now, I used to write blogs for business, and it took me about 2.5 hours to do one. So it's asking, do I really want to get this? Yes, I do. We're at about 1.5 minutes now. So up comes your post. It's done in a style that I tested with using Jack's keyword tool, whether I was getting front page listing. And the month before last, I haven't checked last month yet, it's a bit early, I had about a 70% success rate on first page. It also gives you keywords that are being used, AI and marketing, small business marketing benefits for AI. And it says a sample, create an image for your posts, which I'm copying, Control C. So we have your full blog post now, with questions and answers, frequently cost-effective methods, analyzing like a pro, targeting, advertising, small content, etc. And this is all really good stuff. Pardon me. And I might just copy that and save that for my own records. And I'll go to what I've done recently, and I'll go into there and Control V, I'll copy it. And that doesn't work. Anyway, I'll copy that for later, and I'll also make a picture to work for you, but I'll run out of time. So that's basically how easy it is to do a blog using one of the tools, and you can use it for all the other bits and pieces, and I'll do another video on this. But if you're involved in small business at all, you've got to have this tool. You'll see a link below that you can get in and get access to this now. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch up soon. This is Coach Hanley signing out.